awiting ito inialay ko sa mga taong nakaka-relate. Napakaganda po ng awitin na ito. Tell me please, Mr. Love, will I found him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, you'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of?